on, guys? It's Danny from Store Restoration, and today we find out what the Turbo GMC makes on the dyno. A long awaited for a lot of people, me included. There's a big long backstory on it. We'll get to that, but first we need to get to Mike's and to the truck. Well, it's an absolute beautiful day to head to the dyno, but this is what we got, so we're taking advantage of it. All right, so Mike is all loaded up here. Let's jump in and we're gonna be on our way. We've made it up here. Now we're gonna get it unloaded and get it inside, and you'll meet the tuner for today. Strapped down to the dyno here, and Matt is going to work his magic and make 1,000 horsepower. We'll see what it does. We'll see what this fuel system will take it to, but very anxious to see numbers on this truck. The first, just test it, so that's the first actual number we have. Ran into a slight issue. It is dropping voltage, so we're going to take this reman alternator off and put another GM one on. right, so there is where we're going to stop with pump gas. So really good power on pump only. We probably will do flex and meth later and take that up even further, but so far today, that's the number. All right, guys, so in conclusion, I'm going to try not to spend a whole lot of time on this because the video is already pretty long. I put a lot of the footage of the dyno session in there. Unfortunately, we didn't get very much footage of Matt himself and tuning. You can kind of see him in the background and just a quick glance at him. And that's because at the end, he was running late as usual, and he had to run. So my plan was to get all the actual dyno footage and then talk to him a little bit at the end. Well, we just ran out of time, and before I knew it, he was wrapping up, done, gone, and it's fine. That was fine. The truck did really good, and anyone that doesn't think he's a very good tuner, you need to double check, because he did more in a couple of hours than the previous tuners did in months. So it's done. It's making decent power. It's actually making really good power. 634, 35 horsepower on pump gas only. So we're not sure if we want to go E85 flex fuel and make some more power and then go meth, or if we're just going to go straight to meth. I kind of think we're going to go straight to meth. Flex fuel E85 isn't real plentiful in our area, and it's only going to make that power if you have a certain percentage of flex in there. So I think we might go right to meth like I have on this truck. So because it's there, as long as your meth tank's full and you flip that switch or however you have it set up, it's good to go, and you're making that power. So truck did really good. Huron Speed kit did really, really good. And if you notice, you can actually see that turbo manifold's glowing during the run. It's kind of neat. Watch the blow off valve and stuff like that work. Excuse me. So anyway, more to come on that truck. Excited to have it actually done. I know Mike's thrilled to actually have it done. So big thanks to Matt for taking that on and getting it tuned, done, out of there. Really appreciate that. So thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.